What's up everybody, it's Monica. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it and I hope you hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are a returning subscriber of mine, thank you for always showing your support. I appreciate you and I see you. Today's tutorial is going to be strictly just an eye tutorial. It will be a voiceover style video, just focused on the eyeshadow on this look that you see right here. I am obsessed. I'm loving it. I just think it's so pretty. I didn't add the glitter that you see on my lid like until last minute, and I'm so happy I did because it made me fall in love with the look so much more. I love it so much, and I kind of like created my own little glitter color. I made it like a little custom, so you'll see that in the video. I'll show you what I use and everything, so don't you worry about a thing. Everything will be listed down below as well in the description. I don't have anything else to say. I just wanted to come on here and do a really quick intro for you guys, since the video is like a talk through, not talk through style, it's a voiceover style. I'm not really going to be talking to you guys like in real time, in real life, you know what I mean? So I just wanted to come on here and say hello to you guys. Thank you for watching the video and welcome you to the video. But I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. Alright, starting off the look, I'm taking the shade Whisper and I'm applying this with a Morphe R38 brush all onto my crease, just to use it as my first transition shade for all of the pink eyeshadows that we're going to be using today. Next, dipping into the shade Cancun, I'm using a Morphe M433 brush to apply this on my crease. If you just touch your eyelid, you'll be able to feel your crease bone, and that's where I'm applying this color, just all over the crease. Next, I'm going in with NSFW and Lumbia, and I'm literally doing the same exact thing I did with the previous shade Cancun, and I'm applying this color just a couple of times just to really build up the intensity, because this color is what's really going to peek through in this black smoky eye look. Next, I'm going to be dipping into the shade Rockstar from the JACLYN Hill Bling Boss palette, and I'm using a Luxie 231 tapered blending brush to apply this into my crease. Like I said, if you touch your lid, you'll be able to feel that crease bone, and I'm going to apply this color directly underneath that crease, and I'm going to apply a couple coats of the color, and then we're going to slightly blend it upwards into the other pink colors. Now I'm taking this brush to kind of just blend everything together so we have a nice smooth blend with all of these different shades of pink. Now I'm taking the shade Mystic from that same JACLYN Hill palette, and I'm using that same tapered blending brush to apply this on the same places I applied Rockstar. This is just a deeper version of that color because we really want that deep color to meet the black, and it's just going to help when it comes to blending out the black in just a little bit. You guys will see what I'm talking about, but I'm just blending this color into all the other previous colors, of course. And now I'm going into the shade Berry Treasure, which is a really pretty black that has little specks of like a pink tone in it, which is kind of what this look is, but we just added more glitter to really intensify that black color. So I'm using a Morphe flat brush to apply this all over my lid, and I'm doing it in sections just because I don't want to apply way too much black, so make sure you just kind of work with it and take your time. Now I'm taking a Sigma E36 brush and a little bit of Berry Treasure in the shade Mystic just to really fuse those colors together nicely so they have a nice blend. I love this brush for like detailed work like that in small sections. Now to clean up the eyeshadow, since I already have my foundation on, I'm just using some of my banana powder, and I'm using a generous amount of that to really cut the eyeshadow. And now I'm going in with more of the black just right there on the outer corner. Once I kind of carve out the shape of the eyeshadow, it makes me have a better guide of where I need to put a little bit more of this black. Now I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer, and I'm mixing all three of these glitters together. They are rose, red, and black, and I just mix them all together on the side. And I first like to take a flat brush just to distribute the glitter primer all over the lid. And you want to make sure that you only apply it to the places that you want to distribute the product. I accidentally got some on my crease and I put eyeshadow and it caught it. And it messed up my eyeshadow a little bit, but I made it work. So just make sure that you're carefully placing it only where you want to place the glitter. So just on the lid area. Now I'm taking another flat brush to apply the glitter, and I'm doing it in just small sections. I don't want to go in with too much glitter. So I'm just slowly building it up, doing it by sections like I said. And to highlight my inner corner, I'm using the shade Bling Bling from the same JACLYN Help palette, and I did place a little bit of that glitter primer on the inner corner before I place down the shade. It just really intensifies the color in my opinion. And as you can see, I'm doing the lower lash line now, and I'm using all of the same colors in the same exact order that I used them. I'm applying those to the lower lash line, and I'll list the brushes that I'm using down below in the description, of course, along with all of the products that I used in today's video. And just another tip for you guys to keep in mind when doing such an intense makeup look like this one, I always make sure I connect my lower lash eyeshadow to the top eyeshadow. That way there's not a weird separation, especially working with these dark colors. You want to make sure it all kind of flows together. So don't forget to connect the bottom eyeshadow to the top eyeshadow. As you can see now, I'm applying some lower lash mascara, and then I'm going to put some false lashes on. I actually don't have the name of these false lashes on me right now, but I will find them and I will leave them in the description for you guys as always. And I'm going to coat those lashes with some mascara and then give them a curl. I like to curl my lashes for like 30 seconds just so you guys know as a reference. And that's going to wrap it up for this eye tutorial portion of the video. And I'm going to go ahead and just lead you guys to the outro. Alright you guys, and that is the video and tutorial all finished. This is the final look. As you can see, the lip color that I'm wearing today is a combo from this Bobbi Brown little kit thing that I have. It's this pinkish color, this pinkish nude, topped with a gloss that came with it, and this is also Bobbi Brown, and this is in the color Bare Sparkle. I don't know if they have it like a full size. And the color that I'm wearing on the lips is just, this is a natural pink color. So this is the best gloss. I love it. It feels so good. I wear it by itself all the time. I'm going to have to find out actually if this is a full size because it's so good. Well, yeah, that wraps it up. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe down below to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up and make sure that you hit that notification bell. That way when I upload a video, you get notified. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers. Oh my God. And once we hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for you guys. So please tell your mom, tell your friend, tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your dad, your cousin, anybody. Tell everybody. Everybody let you know to subscribe to my channel so you guys can get in on this giveaway. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye!